Hi guys. So if you have a 2018-2019 TPI, this is a problem that you will run into. Your bike will sometimes not start, sometimes it will, sometimes it won't, or worst case, you won't get anything on your bike. If you press your Kickstarter, you won't hear your fuel pump prime, the speedo won't come on. Then 3 out of 3 times that I got this, the fault will be in here. On the left hand side of your bike, you will get all these connected wires in the inside of your frame. You need to pull it out, cut it open, you will see it's wet. And then your red and white wires will have a deposit, green deposit on it. You will see this because of the water. And these wires breaks off inside. You need to cut it open, this waterproof section, which is clearly not waterproof. Then what I usually do, I will solder them, put on a cap, fill it up with some solder, crimp it closed, and buy some sealant. And while I tape it closed, I spray the sealant inside to keep it dry. And 3 out of 3 times that worked for me. I hope it helps you.